one of the things that I always do is ride with some kind of armored protection. And today, normally when I when I wear my pants, there's knee pads inside my pants, and then now I'm wearing shorts. And when I wear shorts, normally I wear knee pads on top of them, my motocross knee pads. They're hard knee pads, the hard shell ones. And then today, I don't know why, I'm just wearing shorts, so I feel totally naked and totally like conscious about me being naked. Let's see who we got here. We got Juvy over here. Man, she's going like 100. Let's just check out her and her style. Yeah. Got the Comini jacket on there. Yeah. Juvy on her Click 150. I'll scoot up here a little bit and we'll see who's next in line. Making some power moves. We got Louis there. Yeah. And we got Ricky here. I think you didn't know what I was doing, but I was saying hi. Anyways, these are our guys. We're going. We want to say thank you from Generation Asian Philippines, Generation Asian Los Angeles. Oh, not really Los Angeles, Antelope Valley, Lancaster. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all your comments. And we will continue to try to put out good quality. Well, we don't put out workout videos, we just kind of show off. But find our gym videos, our riding videos, our car videos, and our eating videos. So thank you once again. Juvy says hi, we all say hi. Lewin says hi, Adriana says hi. All the boys back at FN says hi. Team Gen Asian, thank you very much. Thanks for the subs. See you next time.